Use synthetic division to find the quotient and remainder from dividing the polynomial by x minus 3. Synthetic division is a way of dividing one polynomial by a linear binomial to find the quotient and remainder. When dividing by a linear binomial using synthetic division, make sure the factor is written in the form x minus a. As you can see, x minus 3 is already in this form, so we will be using 3 in the synthetic division calculations. These 5 placeholders are for each of the coefficients of the polynomial. Since this is a polynomial of degree 4, there are 5 placeholders, one for each term. This is how synthetic division works. The numerical term goes here, and we determine that that would be 3. Fill in the coefficients from the polynomial here. So the coefficient of the 4th degree term is 1. The coefficient of the 3rd degree term is negative 3. The coefficient of the squared term is negative 21. The coefficient of the linear term is 43. And the constant term is 60. Start by dropping the first term here, then multiplying by this term and placing the product here. So 3 times 1 is 3. Then add these terms. Negative 3 plus 3 is 0. And repeat, multiply this term by this term and place the product here. So 3 times 0 is 0. Then add these terms. Negative 21 plus 0 is negative 21. Again, multiply this term by this term and place the product here, so we get negative 63. 43 minus 63 is negative 20. One more time, 3 times negative 20 is negative 60. Then add these terms to get 0. So we end up with this division equation. P of x divided by x minus 3 equals, and these numbers here are the coefficients of the quotient, which is a polynomial of 1 degree less than the original polynomial. So we get x cubed, and there is no square term because this is 0, minus 21x minus 20, and the remainder is 0. From the remainder theorem, we know that this term, this 0 term, is the same as p of x for x equals 3.